YouTubies, it's your girl Red coming to you with some friend mail from YouTube and from my Facebook group, Queens of Craft. This first one is from RoseMary's Heister. She has a channel here on YouTube called RoseMary's You Rock, and I will link her down below. She does crafting. She also plays the guitar and things like that, and she does hauls as well. So, and she's a very sweet lady, and she is from New Mexico. So yeah, I think that's, yeah, New Mexico. So this is my first time opening it also. And if you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. This is, oh, this is so pretty. That is so adorable. Love butterflies, and my favorite color is pink, of course. This is so pretty. That's adorable. I don't want to open it the other way because the addresses are on the front, so I'm trying to open it from this way. Okay. And she sent me some stickers. These are cute, and these came from the dollar store. I had some of these. Thank you, because I was out. Aw, I can definitely use these around Valentine's Day, so that's good for my sticker collection. And then she sent me this, and it says thanks on the front. I don't want to tear anything. I hate tearing stuff. Well, let's look at this first. This is a pretty notebook. Definitely could use that. Can never have too many of those. Okay. I'm going to take everything out of here. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, yeah, okay, loaded bag. I didn't want to tear it all apart, because I do, when I get these loaded bags and loaded envelopes and stuff, I have a container and I keep all of these. I keep them all in there. So, Rosemary, thank you so much. And you probably can't see these. These are just little heart stickers. And this is a thank you card, and I'll read that in a second. Oh wow, this is beautiful. Wow, this is so pretty. Wow, this is really pretty. And it says love. Wow, that is beautiful. That is so cute. Oh, it's a large memory dex card. That is so cute. I've honestly never seen a memory dex card this size. I've always got the smaller ones. That is amazing, and it has the little music notes. I told you she does music. And in here we have oh, it's a guitar pick. It's her information on here, and a little guitar pick, because she plays the guitar. That is so cute. Look, a little guitar. This is really cute. You did an amazing job. Oh, I love this so much. Wow, that is so pretty. That is beautiful. I love that. And then I have this. Let's open this up. Oh, that is cute. With the little buttons on it. That is so adorable. Oh, that is so cute. Rosemary, thank you so much. I really appreciate everything that you sent. Here's also another heart sticker sheet, and that is cute. I don't have these, so thank you. I like those. I love everything you sent. And be looking forward to getting a package from me very soon. I haven't sent it out yet, but yours is coming very soon. And so I have one more package, you guys, to open up. Excuse all this glue on my crafting table because I have to change all this out, but I have glue like everywhere on here. Okay, we're gonna go to the next one, and this next one is from one of the ladies in my group, Queens of Craft, and this is from Cassandra Johnson. So let's open this. A bunch of stuff in here as well. So let's get this open. Okay, I don't have on my glasses, so alright, she sent me some book pages. I have to go through everything and stuff that she marked out there. Let me flip everything back around. Okay. All little roses. It's cute. And this. Oh, this is adorable. This is something me and my niece can do together. She would love this. She will love this. Yes, she will. She would really love this. Thank you so much. And then it's stuck together. Okay. We have a coloring page here. Very cute. And then this, oh, that is so beautiful. I love this. That is so cute. This is very pretty. Yeah, I'm gonna do this coloring page. And then we have this. And we have another coloring page. Cute little doily. Then we have this. Oh, this is cute. Straighten it out. That is cute. Big one. Then we have some. Well, these. I'm about to say, I don't know. I don't guess these were stuck on here because they are separate. I don't think anything tore apart, but have these. And then we have these Land of the Free collectibles, and these are little tassels, just little tassels. And then here, well, here's another rose. Yeah, I hate when my thing starts to shake. Ugh. A pocket letter. Oh, this is so cute. I love this. Hold it up close so everybody can see it. Very cute. Aww. That is very adorable. I love this. I love this. Yes, that is so pretty. Has little goodies inside of it. This is cute. I like this. This little clip right here. That's really cute. I love that. That is cute. So Cassandra, thank you so much. Oh, those are adorable too. I just realized what those were. Those are so cute. Cassandra, thank you so much. Rosemary, thank you so much. I really appreciate both of you ladies. And like I said, anybody else wants to do a swap, please contact me and let me know. Right now I have a, well, it's a giveaway going on for the top 10 in my group, so you can join Queens of Craft and get in on it. I don't know when I'll end it, maybe sometime next week. And right after that, I'll be posting the 200 members giveaway. So it probably will be a little over 200 members by the time I get it posted, but it will be posted. And I will get that up and running. So thank you ladies for everything, and I really appreciate it. Bye bye.